good evening everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do the next topic of class 7 science NCERT chapter 2, that is 2.4 feeding and digestion in amoeba. So let's start. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. So amoeba is a microscopic, that means it can be seen by microscope only, and it's a single cell, that means we can see it from that it is a single cell, that means it has only one cell in it, and it is a organism that is found in pond water. So amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. So we can see that it is that in this figure it is also labeled here, that it is the nucleus, it is labeled. So you can see all these things in this figure. So amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. How it changes its shape and position? Let's read. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for movement and capture of food. So what it does, amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections that are called pseudopodia or false feet for movement and capture of food. Okay. Then amoeba feeds on some microscopic organism. When it senses food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food part and engulfs it. The food becomes trapped in the food vacuole. So what happens? Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. It is also a microscopic organism. That's why amoeba also feeds on some microscopic organisms only. Okay. So when it senses food means that when it gets to know that yes, yes, in its side nearby there is some food, he senses the food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and it engulfs that food. Okay, the food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. So the food becomes trapped where? In the food vacuole. Okay, then coming on to the next, that is digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. Okay, they act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. So what is the role of digestive juices? They are secreted into the food vacuole and they act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually the digested food is absorbed. What happens? Gradually the digested food absorbs. Then the absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. Okay, then what happens? The food that is now absorbed is used for growth, maintenance and multiplication of amoeba. Now the undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. Residue here means the undigested part of the food. Okay, then the next one, the basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same as in all animals. So the basic process of digestion and release of energy is same to in all animals, whether human beings or simple animals. Okay, in a later chapter you will learn about the transport of food absorbed by the intestine to the various parts of the body. So they are saying in the later chapter you will learn about the transport of food absorbed by the intestine to the various parts of the body. So with this your chapter is completed. Okay, so now we have completed this chapter, but still there are two blue boxes left. So first of all we will complete them. Okay, so are these two boxes are left, I'll show you. The one this and this. Okay, so are these two are left. First of all we will complete them. Okay, so let's start from this one. diarrhea box. Okay, so sometimes you have experienced the need to pass watery stool frequently. This condition is known as diarrhea. So the definition can come that what is diarrhea. You will write that when we need to pass watery stool frequently, this condition is known as diarrhea. Okay. Okay, so it may be caused by an infection, food poisoning, or indigestion. So diarrhea can be caused because of these reasons, because of infection, food poisoning, or indigestion. Because of these three reasons, it can be caused. Okay, it is very common in India, particularly among children. Under severe conditions, it can be fatal. This is because of the excessive loss of water and salts from the body. So what happens? It is very common in Indian children, and in severe conditions it can be fatal. This is because of the excessive loss of water and salts from the body. So diarrhea should not be neglected. Even before a doctor is consulted, the patient should be given plenty of boiled and cool water with a pinch of salt and sugar dissolved in it. This is called oral rehydration solution, ORS. Okay, so what they are saying is that the patient should go to the hospital first of all, very quick, to get rid from this diarrhea. But before going to the hospital, the one thing which we can do at our home is that we should prepare the ORS solution which can help the patient, or we can provide him the ORS solution from the market also, because ORS solution is available in the market also, and we can prepare it at our home also. ORS solution full form is oral rehydration solution. So how we can prepare it? We just have to take a plenty of boiled and cool water, and we have to add a pinch of salt and sugar dissolved, and we have to add a pinch of salt and sugar, then our ORS solution will be ready. Okay, so we have to just make the ORS solution and we have to give it to the patient. Then this can help the patient this can be very helpful to the patient. Okay, so this was in our first box. Now let's come to our second box. Okay, this one. So this box is very interesting. It is like a story only. So in this, I don't think that you will have to learn anything, because it's a very interesting and a very nice box. Okay, so you will be very you will learn it by your own, because it's a very nice. Okay, it's very easy also. So let's start. The working of the stomach was discovered by a strange accident. So have you ever wondered that our stomach, at the stomach, or the working of stomach, how it is discovered? Because till now we have only read that yes, this is the working of the stomach from small intestine to this, but we don't know that who discovered the working of the stomach, and when it was discovered, and whether it was discovered or not, what happened to it. Yes, so obviously it might have been discovered. Yes, it would be discovered. So and that's why only we are today and that's why only we today can say that yes, this is the working of stomach. So what is the working of stomach? In 1822, a man named Alexis Saint Martin was badly hit by a shoot gun. So, in 1822, there was a man named Alexis Saint Martin. He was badly hit by a shoot gun. Okay, the bullet had seriously damaged the chest wall and made a hole in his stomach. The bullet had seriously damaged the chest wall of the patient and made a hole in his stomach. He was brought to an American Army doctor, William Beaumont. The doctor saved the patient, but he could not close the hole properly and left it bandaged. Figure 2.8. So what they are saying is that it it was hit by a shotgun, and it was seriously damaged, and it damaged the chest wall very seriously, and it had made a hole in his stomach. You can see this is that figure, and it has made a hole in it. Okay, so they are saying that the doctor saved the patient's life, but he could not close the hole properly. It was very seriously damaged, so doctor was also not able to recover that hole. So he left that hole bandaged, and at that moment only, Beaumont took it as a great opportunity to see the inside of the stomach through that hole. Yes, and he made some wonderful observations. From that only, the invention of the stomach, the invention of the working of the stomach discovered. Okay, then these are the observations which Beaumont found. Okay, so Beaumont found that the stomach was churning food, its walls secreted a fluid which could digest the food, and he also observed that the end of the stomach opens into the intestine only after digestion of the food inside the stomach is completed. So this is the working of the stomach which was discovered. Okay, so with this we have completed our full chapter. Now we have completed these two boxes also. We have completed we have completed the whole chapter. So in the next video I will explain you the next chapter. So till then, take care. Bye bye.